Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through all my favourite things for the month of June. I did my May favourites last month and you guys seemed to like that, and I thought it was a good way to show you everything that I've been using the most this month. Okay, let's start with curl products. You might have seen my recent curl review with Uidad products. If you haven't, I'll leave the link down below, but I loved the results I got from Uidad. The Advanced Climate Control Duo, the shampoo and conditioner, is amazing. So that's my favourite shampoo and conditioner duo for June. And the gel that came with that is the Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. Also, this isn't sponsored, they kindly gifted me these items to try out. This has to be my favourite gel at the moment. I've been using it quite a lot, and it says stronger hold. You know I love my firm strong hold gels for my hair, and a lot of you guys agreed with me that this gel is amazing, so if you haven't tried it, girl, get onto it. Another shampoo that I've been loving is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash from Curls. You guys know I work with Curls a lot, as you see on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I love the Blueberry Bliss collection. It smells so good. This one is sulfate free and it's just a really good cleanse. If you have dry, low porosity like me, this shampoo is a must. I filmed an educational IGTV about porosity that will be up on my Instagram either now or soon. So yeah, those are my favorite shampoos, conditioner and gel. And then we have this curl moisturizer spray from Curls. It's the aloe and blueberry juice. I love sprays like this, and I use this as a refresher spray. If you're a curly girl, having a spray to refresh your curls on day 2 and day 3 after you've washed it is essential. And I've been loving this one at the moment because it's got those organic natural ingredients and it's super moisturizing. Love it! I've been using the Bondi Boost Curl Boss range since last year when I collaborated with them. I kind of forgot about this cream, but I've recently been using it to refresh my curls. I worked with Natalie Ann, who's a really amazing Sydney hairstylist, and she uses this cream a lot to refresh people's curls. And when she did it to me, my curls are amazing, so I've been trying to recreate what she does. So yes, that's my favorite cream of the month, the Bondi Boost Curl Boss Styling Cream. My favorite mask, I tried to mention it in my last favorites video last month, but it actually wasn't out yet. I did content for Briogeo, and finally this mask is out so you guys can try it, and every time I smell it, it's so yummy. Like if you like the smell of lollies and like sweet, super sweet things like I do, so good. But yeah, the texture is amazing. As you can see, I've used quite a lot the past month. It's a super deep moisturizing mask, so if your hair's on the finer side, it might be a bit too heavy for you, but if you have thick, dry, low porosity curls like me, try it. I talked about it in one of my vlogs, but I did a shoot with GHD, which is crazy. It was so cool and fun, and they used this Final Shine spray on my hair at the shoot, and it's more of like an oil mist. So if you're not a fan of oils, I probably wouldn't recommend, but it smells so good. It feels really luxurious and adds kind of like a sheen onto your curls. It's good for if you're really frizzy, and it's a good little spray for your refreshing routine. Also at that GHD shoot, I took note of what hairspray the hairstylist was using, and it was this brand, the Extra Strong Hold hairspray from Schwarzkopf. It's actually really affordable. I think this was like $5, and I saw this big ass one on sale, so I have that too, so I'm basically never running out. I never used to use hairspray on my curls because I kind of thought that would be unhealthy for my curls because it's like obviously like a strong chemical. I'm guessing strong chemicals are in hairspray. Now that I'm pretty far along in my journey, my hair can handle a bit of hairspray here and there, especially if I'm doing videos, photos, and I want my curls to last, you know, a few days at a time. They used so much of this on my hair at the shoot, but my hair lasted for like 3 days after that, and it was amazing. So I think that's all the curl stuff done. Let's go on to skincare. I've actually never owned a cleanser before this month. Neutrogena was having a special at Priceline, so I thought I'd try out this Visibly Clear Spot Proofing Daily Wash. Works with your skin to help clear spots and defend against new breakouts. I wouldn't say I use this every day just due to laziness, but I have been working it into my morning routine. When I wake up, one of the first things I need to do is just wash my face. I usually have mascara like all over my face, so that's what I've been using the past couple weeks. No complaints, I like it. I had this in my last favorites video, but I just had to include it again. I just love it. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's so seamless and just makes my face feel really fresh and balanced. Oh, I'm excited about this one. I only bought this like 5 days ago. It's the Sukin Australian Natural Green Tea Hydrating Mist Toner. I've never owned a mist toner. This is paraben and alcohol free and it is so refreshing. It was on sale I think for like $8. Spray it just makes me happy. It feels like you're at a spa or like getting a facial. It just smells like a spa. I don't know, I just love it. I've never tried this brand before either and I've always wanted to. It looks really nice and like organic and natural. Mwah. Now onto makeup. The foundation that I've been picking up more this month is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. I've got the shades 225 and 230. 230 is when I have fake tan on and 225 is when I'm a bit more pale and natural. I find it really seamless. Yeah, I've just been picking it up more than the Hourglass foundation stick. I think I'm just taking a break from the foundation stick because I do like more full coverage looks right now. The Hourglass stick is great for more natural, seamless looks when you're going out to real events and like talking to people, and then I use this more for like photos, videos, because it's got more of that like photo finish, thicker look. I'm not sure how much this mascara is, but I'm guessing it's expensive because it's from Marc Jacobs. I just got it sent to my PO box randomly and it is really, really good. I love my mascara. I can't leave the house without mascara usually, and I love mascaras that are just quick and easy to use but give you heaps of volume, heaps of length. And yeah, this is my favorite. I've been using this for photos, for videos, for going out. Black Earth 42. I'll leave the name down below. That's what the applicator looks like. In terms of brows, my life has changed this month. I was on a shoot and the makeup artist was doing my brows and I could feel that whatever they're using was really thick and like a strong gel. I thought it was a gel and I was like, oh, what gel are you using? And he's like, it's just soap. I've never heard of soap brows before. Apparently it's a thing. Let me know if you knew what soap brows were because I didn't. Anyway, he told me the brand that he uses and I've been using it every day since. Pears soap bars. I think it was like $4 or something from Woolworths. I'm not sure if it's an Australian brand, but yeah, it's in our grocery stores here in Australia. And then I got a pack of those little, what are those brushes called? Like mascara brushes. I got them from eBay and then you just wet them. You wet this a bit and you kind of brush it up so it's like a gel consistency. You can like make it wetter or thicker however you want, and then that's all I put in my brows to get this more fluffy effect. So yeah, if you notice that my brows look different, that's why. Alright, so that's makeup. Now let's get into some clothing and shoes. My favorite shoes of the month are these boots from Windsor Smith that I bought. The shop was having a sale, so I went in not expecting to buy anything, but I tried these on and I was like, these are so comfy. I just know I'm gonna wear them a lot. That's what they look like, and the best thing about them is number one, they're comfy. Number two, you can dress them up and down, like with whatever outfit you're wearing. I wear them to the shops. I just wear them to Fabian's house. I've worn them to Fabian's grandparents' anniversary party. They're great for winter because it's cold here in Sydney. They make jeans and a top or jeans and a jumper just look a bit more cute because they've got that platform heel, but it's a comfy heel. Next, I picked this khaki corduroy shirt. I just love the vibe of this. I recently ordered a brown one from a different shop. This one is from Glassons. I got it in an oversized fit. I got it in a small because it is already like oversized. But yeah, you've probably seen me wear this on Instagram. So comfy, it is quite warm, and it's olive, so of course I like it. I love overalls. I kind of have an addiction to them, especially the ones with a long pant, but I thought I would include these ones. They're from Levi's, from Princess Polly. I've been obsessed with Levi's like in general this month. It's got the Levi's label on the back and the straps kind of cross over, which is cute, and they're so comfy, a very baggy 80s 90s style fit. And I've just got these tracksuit pants from Lorna Jane. They're such a cool design. They've got some cool patterns. I love the cuffed bottoms and the waistband. I wore these to the gym this morning actually. When I do upper body, I'm too lazy to put leggings on. I hate putting leggings on. I don't know why. It's just like such an effort. But even just wearing them for everyday outfits to the shops or whatever with some sneakers. It's got like white patches throughout and some meshy bits. So cool. Thank you for watching this month's favorites video. Don't go and spend all your money on this stuff, but if you needed inspiration or ideas on what to get, I hope this helped. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, like this video and subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.